Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and today we are going to do a Dollar Tree DIY. It's going to be a little Christmas gift, and I'm going to be using this hot cocoa served here mug from the Dollar Tree. I have two of them, so I'm going to be making a pair, but for right now we're just going to make the one. So I've got my mug here. I'm going to set that off to the side. Now, I already have some hot cocoa mixes. They're in the K-Cups, but they do come from the Dollar Tree. You can get them 3 in a little packet as well if you don't already have some. So what we're going to do is we're just going to add a couple of mixes in there. That's it so far. We're just going to put a couple of those. Then I'm going to take just a little bag. So if you have a cellophane bag or even like a little Ziploc bag, and you just cut off the top if you'd like, any sandwich bag. And I am going to throw in some marshmallows. Now you can buy the packet of marshmallows, just the little marshmallows. I already, again, happen to have some of these that have the little mini marshmallows. And you just pour in some of these guys. You don't have to do a whole lot. We'll throw these guys away. I'm going to put in a little bit more. Oh, got another one. This is coming from my hot chocolate bar, so that's why it's already pudding canisters. So I've got my marshmallows, and then I also have some crushed candy canes. I bought these at I bought these at the grocery store for my hot cocoa bar. But if you don't have these, you can just take a candy cane and crush it up yourself. And then we're going to go ahead and put some of these guys in there as well. And that's going to make a nice peppermint hot cocoa. So now we've got our little bag. You can mix it all up if you want. And then we're going to take some twine. And if you have some of the decoration ornaments, that would be really cute to put on there as well. And that way you can put your to and from on the back. I'm going to take just a little piece of twine that you can get at the Dollar Tree, and again, some ribbon that you can also get at the Dollar Tree. And I'm just gonna roll this over like this. I think I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger. So I'm gonna roll that over, roll that back over, and then cut right about there. And then I'm gonna get some additional ribbon out, and I'm just going to get a piece of red ribbon. I'm going to do about the same thing here. I'm going to get a piece, I'm going to kind of overlay it, and then a piece going right back. And then I'm going to cut that as well. Just like that. Get that all laid out the way that I want it. And come back around. And there we go. So then I'm going to take just another piece of the red, or the other, whatever you decide, and we're going to just tie a lovely knot here. I'm so bad at tying bows, but okay, we've got our knot. Well, apparently we have half a knot, so we're gonna again tie that off. we're gonna open these up a little bit. I did not tie this tight enough, but that's okay because we're gonna attach this guy, and you can use this if you don't have the extra string. I'll show you, you can actually use this. We'll cut that knot off. And then you can take this guy and we'll tie him around as well. So apparently the knot tying is the hardest part. There we go. That makes a little bit of a nicer bow when you hold it tightly. And then we're going to take this little guy, we're going to put him together, and we're going to tie a string around that as well. My goodness, not tying today, not my forte. So we're going to tie that one nice and tight there. We will tie this one nice and tightly there. And then we're going to take and we're going to tie this one on to here. There we go. If you have trouble making knots and bows and all that stuff, feel free to just glue, hot glue or tape this right on there. But I'm just going to make a really simple knot. And there we've got our Farm Fresh, and I'm going to cut a little bit of this off just because it's pretty big there. There we go. And we take this and we're going to put that with our hot cocoa. And we've got a nice little gift for giving. So how much is that? Oh gosh, it's not very expensive. Maybe $3.50. So nice little gift for $3.50 there. So if you like this, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. And we're going to be continuing on with the 12 Days of Christmas. All right, beauties, have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!